Copper is toxic to microorganisms, particularly aquatic life, when it enters the environment. Legislation in California and Washington state requires brake pad manufacturers to significantly reduce the amount of copper used in brake pads due to concerns regarding its environmental impact. Federal-Mogul's Sarah Olson, Product Development Manager for Braking, discusses the global impact of the legislation and how the company has developed a range of zero copper and low copper brake pad formulations using a unique tribological fingerprinting process.
I'm here to talk to you today about Federal-Mogul's new innovative low copper and zero copper brake pad solutions. California and Washington state have passed low copper and zero copper legislation that has implications across the U.S. and potentially globally. California and Washington legislation limits the amount of copper that can be in brake pads. Starting in 2021, all pads must be less than 5% by weight, and in 2025, it drops to 0.5%. Vehicle manufacturers specify brakes for cars that are sold across the U.S., so this legislation applies to all states, not just California and Washington. Global vehicle manufacturers often have global car platforms that get imported into the U.S. Therefore, this also has global implications as well. Copper offers some advantages, such as heat dissipation, that can't be replaced by one single element. Federal-Mogul has developed a tribological fingerprinting process that, through the science of understanding interactive surfaces, allows us to fully fingerprint and understand the performance of the more than 20 ingredients that can appear in a single brake pad formulation. This understanding allows us to fingerprint copper and its tribological properties and screen more than 1,500 other raw materials, finding the best combination of materials that can replace copper. Federal-Mogul then uses this information to develop low copper and zero copper solutions that meet the legislation and still meet the vehicle manufacturer's performance requirements, such as outstanding stopping power, outstanding noise and vibration performance, long life, and low wheel dust generation. Federal-Mogul engineers at our technical centers in the United States, Europe, and China are working with our global customers to provide customized solutions that meet their vehicle needs. We can provide a broad range of low copper and zero copper products that meet the global vehicle platforms, such as passenger cars, SUVs, light trucks, and heavy-duty trucks. Our expertise in developing products for the OE market gives us a distinct advantage in providing OE quality materials for our aftermarket customers as well. Federal-Mogul's continued commitment to innovation enables us to be a leader in providing low copper and zero copper brake pad solutions.
Zero and low copper brake pads are another example of Federal-Mogul's commitment to developing leading technology and innovations to support vehicle manufacturers with advanced solutions for vehicle performance, quality, and safety. Federal-Mogul, safety first.